don't even show people how to go to court anymore because I've already won the case. It doesn't even matter what happens in the court. So when we get into the area of cryptos, that's kind of different because no one's trying to make a claim on your property. But in cryptos, you have an alternative use of money, which is not taxable. And this really freezes people up and gets accountants chasing their tails and makes people frustrated because they don't understand where a tax liability comes from. What is being taxed? And it's right in our faces, but we're not getting it. And so I had to really explain this in great detail, but I start like this. People hear me say this shocking statement, cryptos are not taxable. And I say, okay, well, they're not taxable, but there are no new laws imposing a tax on cryptographic currency. So the IRS came in 2014. It took the IRS 5 years after Bitcoin to define cryptographic currency or virtual currency as property. This is very important because this definition of the IRS brings the whole body of case law from 100 years of taxation and case law regarding property and taxation. It brings crypto into that sphere, which greatly helps everyone. That was very helpful and very intelligent of the IRS to do this.
So when somebody buys or sells crypto, what is it that the IRS says is a taxable event?
The taxable event is the disposition of property for dollars.
Okay.
So
Explain.
cryptos are property. If you sell it where your beneficial interests change, you sell it to somebody else, then it is a sale. And if you factor in the cost basis, you could have a gain. That's not a disposition of property.
It's not.
Trading
Okay.
Litecoin for Bitcoin, no. Even if your value goes up in dollars, that's not a gain. That's not taxable.
Even if it's two different cryptos that you exchange one for the other.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.